Hey guys, today I will show you how to insert arrow in Word. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first create a new Word document. And there is two ways. The first one is go to Insert and click on Shape. Then choose Line and we can draw our first arrow shape. So this is the first way. The second way is again go to Insert and click on Shape. Then choose Block Arrow. And now you can draw your second arrow. As you can see, we insert our arrow in Word successfully. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.